Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. If you can't tell, my house is a complete disaster, so I have to get it done tonight. So I'm determined to get it done tonight. It is 5:47 right now. It's almost 5:50. We have dinner cooking in the Adobe. We're gonna do steaks in there, and that's about it. We got a couple errands to run. So before we head on out, I am just going to clean up the house. Hopefully I can get it done in under an hour. Fingers crossed. Let's do this thing. Also, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe for more videos just like this, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. And if you have any suggestions as far as videos go, please drop it down in the comments below. I am super curious and very open to suggestions and to listen and see what you guys want to watch. So please leave some ideas below and some suggestions, and I hope you guys like this video.
One minute, 37 seconds later.